Hi everyone. So today we're going to do some doubles and some count-ons in math. So it is Tuesday, December 8th. You're going to need page 39 worksheet that should be in your Tuesday packet and pages 229 through 232 in your math book. I think we'll do 233 and 34, like I'll have you do that on your own. So the math book page looks like this with the buildings, and that's actually what we're going to start with first. So it is page 229, using doubles to add. Okay, so let's turn to that first. Using doubles to add. So we have a city here, and they're building with building blocks. And at the bottom it says, build a tower that has 3 red cubes and 3 green cubes. So what I have here are 3 red and 3 green. And we're going to draw 3 red and 3 green. So there's my 3 red. And now I'm going to do 3 green. So 3 red plus 3 green equals 6. So we're going to go up to our addition sentence, and we're going to write 3 plus 3 equals 6. And 3 plus 3 is a double because we have double the number. We have 3 and 3. It's the same number. So we double the number. So that's why we call them doubles. Okay, we're going to go to the next page already. And here I have 5 cubes plus 5 cubes. Now remember, when we add, let me see if I can get that closer. When we add the 2 numbers that we're adding together, do you remember what those are called? We haven't talked about it in a while. Addend. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 is an addend. 5 is an addend. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And the 10 is the answer or the sum. Okay? So 5 plus 5. Remember, when we do math their way, it tells you to think of 5 fingers plus 5 fingers equals 10. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. This is called an addend. This is an addend. And if we add 2 numbers together, if we add the addends together, we get the sum. That's the answer to an addition problem. All right, we're going to count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3. Is this a double, boys and girls? Yep, it is, right? 3 plus 3, same number plus same number. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 8. And that is also a double, because 4 and 4 are the same number. We double the number. So that's called a double. 4 plus 4 is 8. So on the 3 plus 3, we think of the leaves of the clovers when we do math their way. And then the 4 plus 4 would be the spider legs. 4 spider legs on one side, 4 on the other equals 8. Okay, now we're going to add and circle the doubles facts. 7 days of the week plus 7 days of the week is 14. We're going to circle. 5 fingers plus 5 fingers is 10. We're going to circle that because that's a doubles fact. 7 plus 4. Are these the same numbers, 7 and 4? No, so it's not a double, is it? But we can start with 7 and count up 4, and we're going to get 11. But we don't circle it because it's not a double. 6 eggs plus 6 eggs is 12 eggs. That's a double. 9 tic-tac-toe plus 9 tic-tac-toe is 18, and that's a double. So we're going to circle that. Can you use doubles to make a sum of 7? Oh, okay. This is a double, right? And the answer is 14. It is an even number. This is a double, and the answer is 10, and it's an even number. 6 plus 6 is a double, and the answer is 12. It's an even number. And 9 plus 9 is a double, and that's 18, and that's an even number. So even means it can be divided into 2 equal groups. Can we divide 7 into 2 equal groups? Think about that for just a second. I'm going to grab one more Unifix cube or cube. Can you use doubles to make a sum of 7? Okay, so I have 7 altogether. Okay, I could have had all green. It doesn't matter the colors, but I have 7 altogether. Can I take doubles to make 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can take it apart into 2 groups, but I don't have doubles. I don't have the same amount. I have a 4. I have a 3 and a 4. Or I could do 2 groups there, 5 and 2. That's not equal, is it? So can I make 2 equal groups out of these 7? Nope, I can't make a double with the answer of 7. Because the sum has to be an even number when you're adding doubles. Okay, let's go on. On the back, 2 plus 2 is 4. And when we do the math their way, or math our way, it's 2 wagon wheels plus 2 wagon wheels is 4. 6 eggs plus 6 eggs is 12. 4 spider legs plus 4 spider legs is 8. 5 fingers plus 5 fingers is 10. Okay? Even number, even number, even number, even number. I can split those apart in 2 equal groups. Add and circle the doubles facts. 8 plus 8 is 16. That would be the crayons. We think of 8 crayons plus 8 crayons. That's a double. 9 plus nothing. Remember, nothing means we don't change this number, so that's 9. 9 tic-tac-toe plus 9 tic-tac-toe is 18. That's a double. 8 plus 3 is 11. That's a count on, so we're not going to circle it. And 1 plus 5 is 6. That's a count on. We're not going to circle that. 6 eggs plus 6 eggs is 12 eggs. That's a double. And 10 plus 10 is 20. That's a double, so we're going to circle that. 19, 3 leaves plus 3 leaves is 6. That's a double. Let's circle that. And 7 plus 1 is a count on, and that is 8. So we are not going to circle that one because it's not a double. Okay, we're going to go on to the back side of that paper. And we're going to underline what we know. 4 taxi cabs drove down the road. 4 more taxi cabs drove down the road. How many taxi cabs drove down the road in all? We're going to circle the question. 4 plus 4 equals 8 taxi cabs. 4 spider legs plus 4 spider legs equals 8. Okay? Emad saw 12 green and blue bicycles. So all together, he saw 12. So we're going to start with 12 since the equal sign's right here. So the sum is 12. The number of green bicycles is the same as the number of blue bicycles. Write a doubles fact to solve. So if we have 12 bicycles, half are green and half are blue, if I want to take that 12 and put it into 2 equal parts, what's my double going to be? Take 12 and split it into 2 equal parts. I can use 12 counters and I could take them apart and put them into 2 equal groups. Or I can also think of our doubles facts that we've learned. So I know that 6 eggs plus 6 eggs is 12. So there would be 6 green bicycles and 6 blue bicycles, and there would be 12 altogether. Is 3 plus 6 a doubles fact? What do you think, guys? I think you're right. It's not. No. Period. 3 plus 6 is a count on fact. Period. A doubles fact would have to have the same number 2 times. So 3 and the 6 would have to be the same for it to be a double. And we know that 3 and 6 is not the same. So that's not a doubles fact. That one is a count on fact. Okay? All right. So the next page is going to say homework on it. I want you to do this by yourself. Circle the doubles facts. So do the math. If it's a double, you're going to circle it. And then on the back of that, you're going to do the math and circle the doubles fact. There are 4 tan cats sitting on a fence. 4 black cats are also on the fence. How many cats are on the fence in all? Don't forget to write out your addition problem. Gonna help you a little bit on this side. There are 10 children playing hopscotch. So we're gonna put a 10 first. And if we take that 10 and split it into 2 equal groups, think of math their way. What double equals 10? There are 10 children playing hopscotch. The same number of boys and girls are playing. Write a number sentence to show the number of boys and girls. There are 5 boys and 5 girls, and 10 all together. So I kind of helped you with that one. And then numbers you add together to find a sum are called doubles or add-ins. And 2 add-ins that are the same number are called doubles or add-ins. Okay? So you're going to go back. You're going to do this side and the front side of your My Homework. And then you can take pictures and send that to your teacher. So you can go back and do both of those sides by yourself. If you need help, ask a parent, but you shouldn't really need much help. Okay? All right. So you can pause me while you're finishing that. And then we have one more sheet to do, and that's that Math Their Way worksheet. I think it was page 29. Let me see. This page. 39. 39. It looks like this. Big hit. Okay. So you're going to do this page by yourself. It just says to add. So you're going to add. And then you're going to go back and circle all the count-ons on the whole page. So then you're going to go back and circle all the count-ons on the whole page. Remember that count-ons are +1, +2, +3. And I would circle the big number first, unless it's a double. 4 spider legs plus 4 spider legs is 8 spider legs. 8 crayons plus 8 crayons is 16. 5 plus 3, it's a count on. Circle the big number first and count up 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's a count on, so I'm going to circle the whole thing. This over here where the paper hole was there, that's a 2. So you might want to fix that now. 2 plus 2. Okay? So when you're done with this, you can take a picture of it and send it to your teacher. But remember, at the bottom, circle all the count-ons on the page, and you can write down how many count-ons that you found on that whole page. Okay? All right, guys. Well, you were great listeners today, of course. So good luck. Have fun. Be smart. And read, 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 read. Please, I'm begging you. Read. Okay. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.